Hello there and welcome back. Let's continue our Kubernetes journey. So in this video, my idea is to show you how you can use a private registry and deploy an image from there. So for this, we are going to use my Docker Hub image. It's on the hub.docker.com, and basically this is the secret app repository, and this is basically a Python application, and it is going to read an environment variable, and technically it will need the credentials to deploy this image. So let's jump right into it. Let's call this private. And inside this private directory, we are going to have the deployment.yaml. And this deployment.yaml file is going to look like the following. So technically, this is going to be the application that we want to deploy. I have to fix it because this is for the macOS initialized, but currently I'm recording on the Intel PC, and this is the important part. So we are going to need an environment variable from the secret store of Kubernetes, and we are going to define the image pool secrets. So for now, what we will do is to delete this part, and we are going to create the secret. So kubectl create secret generic secret app secret from literal my secret equals can touch this. This is going to be the secret, and if I am to apply the manifest as it is from the deployment and verify the deployment, you can see that there is an error image pool, and the kubectl events is going to show us that the image pool failed because access was denied. So this is a private repository, and insufficient scope authorization failed. So for this to happen, we need to create the appropriate credentials. So let's delete the deployment. And on the Docker Hub, I have closed the window. So on the Docker Hub, on the top right corner, I am going to go to account settings, and this is going to be a personal access token, and this is the secret pool token, and it is going to have an expiration date, so by the time you see this video it will not be available to you. So this is going to be the secret that I want to use, and I have to create with the Kubernetes CLI the secret, and this is going to be the Docker registry, and the Docker registry personal access token, Docker user is my username, and the Docker password is going to be the personal access token that I have just created. So kubectl create secret Docker registry personal access token, user name, and that was created. So we can verify it with the get secret, and this is basically the Docker config. And now I have to edit my deployment, and inside this deployment at the end I have to add the image pool secret. So this is going to be the reference for the secret that we just created, and the kubectl apply deployment should now succeed. So as you can see, it's container creating. The kubectl events is going to show us that error backup success, fully assigned, replica set, scaled, and it's now pulling the image. It was successfully pulled, created, and started. So kubectl get pod. It's now running. And if we check the logs, kubectl logs, we should be able to see that the web app is running. And technically that's it. And this is a web app. So curl let's grab the IP. That was -o wide and curl http IP address, and the port is going to be 8080 that you can use to connect. And as you can see, it was pulled from private registry, and this is the secret that we just configured. So that was all. See you in the next one.